Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about 9 ways to make money with AI writing software. If you're interested in starting your own business or making some extra cash, then this video is for you. You can start an article writing agency by using AI writing software to create high-quality articles for clients. This could include creating content for blogs, websites, and other publications. Starting an article writing agency can be a great way to make money with AI writing software. Improve already existing content. You can also use AI writing software to improve existing content for clients. This could include editing and proofreading, adding keywords, and optimizing content for search engines. Write sales copy for other businesses. Use AI writing software to create persuasive sales copy for businesses looking to sell products or services. This is a great way to help businesses generate more sales and make money for yourself in the process. Create video scripts for content creators. You can use AI writing software to create engaging video scripts for content creators on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This is a great way to help content creators produce high-quality content and make money for yourself. Start your own blogging business. Use AI writing software to create content for your own blog and monetize it through affiliate marketing, advertising, and other methods. This is a great way to make money and build your personal brand at the same time. Work as a freelancer. Offer your services as an AI writing software expert on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. This is a great way to connect with clients and make money on your own terms. Write newsletters. Use AI writing software to create engaging newsletters for businesses and individuals. Newsletters are a great way to stay connected with your audience and build your brand. Create engaging hooks for short-form creators. You can use AI writing software to create attention-grabbing hooks for short-form content like social media posts and email subject lines. This is a great way to help businesses and individuals improve their marketing efforts. Create AI-generated images for businesses. Use AI-powered image generation software to create unique images for businesses looking to improve their marketing and branding efforts. This is a great way to help businesses stand out from the competition. In conclusion, AI writing software provides a range of opportunities to make money on various platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. By leveraging the power of AI, you can create high-quality content, improve existing content, and generate new ideas for businesses and individuals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.